My dear brothers and sisters, today we are celebrating the feast of Saint Matthias the Apostle. Concerning Saint Matthias, we know only that during the time between the Ascension and Pentecost, he was elected as an apostle. Matthias replaced Judas in the Apostolic College. The feast of Matthias is appropriately celebrated now, towards the end of Easter time. Matthias reminds us of the meaning and continuation of apostolic status in the Church. First reading from the Acts of the Apostles, chapter 1, verses 15 to 17, then 20 to 26. Here is the description of Matthias' selection as an apostle. The responsorial psalm praises God for the elevation of Matthias to apostolic rank. From the Holy Gospel according to St. John chapter 15, verses 9 to 17. These words of Jesus at the Last Supper are appropriate to Matthias. Jesus tells the apostles that he has chosen them and that in love they must carry out his commands.